viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are doing social work. Now please listen. I'm going to work with hosteler. Come, let's go. I'm going to work with my guys.
Yeah, let's go. 어디 social work을 올렸어?
Everyone is doing social work.
I need some to do social work.
We need to keep our compound clean.
No.
See.
I think I did right.
You are doing exercise?
Yes.
Oh, very good.
Exercise is good for health, nah.
Yes.
Doing exercise.
That was Rocco.
Why you talk? Mommy,
All right, hello.
그거 나도 뭐 버텨 주고 그래. 네, 맞습니다. And be careful. Wait. Oh, it's coming. Careful, also.
Linda.
Oh, hey, this one was
No, that one also. Yeah.
따뜻해.
Вот даме 이렇게 뭐 또래 콘나면래
Oh my god. Oh, hey, this one.
They are plucking leaves for duck.
slowly okay.
Wait, that means... Oh man, hotel is doing like this. What should I do? Can I use spectacles or not? If I did,
No, you just take rest. Since the basket also full now.
can I use spectacles or not?
You can go and take.
Because come, let's use the...
No. Aje dami.
Yeah, collecting yeah for food color.
There is my water lily. Hello, how you come this side?
Oh, hello, wait, come in here. You want to come here? One, two, three. 지금 딱 해줘. 딱 해줘.
Thank you. We cannot work today. No, because Lotso is not feeling well. So sorry. We can come this side.
그래서 나는 환희 팀스들도 고민해서 애드벤처로 나 어디 이끌아 야 just start early na what about yeah you got to this in review about me that's like over there
Mishka, any message for viewers? Say something. Joe, come Korean.
can you bring over here? Not that pumpkin. 엄마 까먹었어. I should wash first.
Come here, come here. We can come. And my 3 tomatoes will be coming right.
I'm going to put out.
See, this plant also medicinal. It's very good. Kabolebi bala say this leaf is. Hello. Miss Serenda. I'm up. Wow. What happened?
I cannot.
We're going to cut this part also. How? Yes, come.
But cannot come in over here. Can
You like it? No, this one.
I like
3 tomato na.
You pluck 1, 2
Tomato
piece.
is fruitful. Yeah, that side also na.
What is this?
I don't know. What is that name?
Hey! What is this?
Ano na? Ano kaya usapin ko? Cooking na. Cooking there again.
You pluck only red color one again. 3. I think that is enough for today. 2, yeah, 2 is enough. Hey, oh, don't pluck that one. Still not ripe. Okay.
I should take
Yeah, that is not right. Boo, you give him the red color one. How?
And to take the leaf.
Okay, okay, take.
Might be game over.
Don't fall down.
I can't get up of here. Wow!
Today we cannot able to work because Tutu is not feeling well.
I'm going to take.
So we are just cameramen.
I'm going to there. Abba, I should wash this and all.
Oh, you just got there.
Don't protect one.
This you can.
Oh, j'étais chaude. Water lily bee. Katishem. Oh.
Water and brush. Only water and brush.
Yeah, no need soap.
Only water and brush.
Yes, yes.
That's the who's the thing, by the way.
Yeah, Mikuta is washing pumpkin na with soap. Mo pa peo sa je sa trobe ko to. Kumba to kasen. Aro, majority are working here. Very heavy. So let's go.
He's not just going to come out.
Yeah, they will come today. Yes.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, so let's go home. Let's go and cook food. Early in the morning we are working and still not cooking yet. So 이때 video खत्म करेंगे. बात पकाबो दे. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.